Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you how we're going to turn off the zoom feature on your Mac camera. So what I'm referring to is when, for example, you're using FaceTime. As you can see, I'm in here, and there's some things like effects which might be applied on the top of the camera. So as you can see, I have the background behind me, or the blur or whatever. But the point is that in the top bar, you see a couple of different things like this button where you can control some effects. So as you can see, the portrait mode, the intensity, studio light, reactions, background, and so on. And if you have a Mac which supports the feature called center stage, which is basically just zooming in on you or the person which is in the frame, you need to disable it in here. So for me, it's not really supported. This is the M1 iMac, so it's not really part of this setup, but you would be able to see it right there, uncheck it, and that way the zoom feature is simply not going to be available or like turn on for your computer. So I'm not going to make the video any longer than it needs to be. It's just that. Definitely subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.